Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today, in our EVS class, we are going to write flower names in our EVS notebook. Our EVS notebook. Students, today we will write here where we have written the spelling of Daisy and Lily. On the next page we will write here. We have to draw a blue line. हमें एक blue line draw करनी है in the middle of the page. Students, whenever you write this work, you have to write the date. और ये जो red line है उसको आपको touch करके date लिखनी है. Now we will start our work. We will write two flower names. Now we will write the spelling of marigold. So we will write capital M. ये जो margin line है उसके बाद से लिखेंगे हम like this. We have to write M. Then we have to write small a between two blue lines. Then small r like this. Small I, small g from blue line till red line, small o between two blue lines, small l from red line till blue line, then small d. So the spelling is M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. We will write capital M, small a, small r, small I, small g, small o, small l, small d, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. M A R I G O L D, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. Students, speak and write. M A R I G O L D, M-A-R-I-G-O-L-D, marigold. In this way we have to write the spelling of marigold. हमें ऐसे स्पेस नहीं छोड़ना है और मार्जिन लाइन के बिल्कुल साइड से लिखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल राइट द नेक्स्ट स्पेलिंग आफ्टर द ब्लू लाइन. वी विल राइट मोगरा. सो वी विल राइट कैपिटल M, then small o between two blue lines, small g, red line से blue line, then we have to write small r between two blue lines, then small a, M-O-G-R-A, mogra. Capital M, small o, small g, small r, small a, M-O-G-R-A, mogra. Capital M, small o, small g, small r, small a, M-O-G-R-A, mogra. Students, in this way we have to write the spelling of mogra. Now we will revise our previous names. R-O-S-E, rose. Jasmine, Jasmine, SUNFLOWER, FLOWER, sunflower. LOTUS, lotus. DAISY, daisy. LILY, lily. MARIGOLD, marigold. MOGRA, mogra. Students, you have to learn these spellings by heart. Thank you. Have a nice day.